In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Payoneer account to Printify so you can easily manage your payments and top up your balance when needed. This is a simple process, so just follow along. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Once you're there, log into your Printify account, and if you don't already have one, you can quickly sign up and it only takes a moment. After logging in, look for the wallet option in the main menu. Click on wallet and then go to the payment section. This is where you manage how you pay for orders on Printify. Inside the payments area, choose the option to pay or top up your balance using Payoneer. When you select this option, enter the amount you'd like to add to your Printify balance. Make sure to double check the amount before continuing. Once you confirm, you'll be redirected to the Payoneer login page. Simply log into your Payoneer account, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. After logging in, approve the connection so Printify can securely process the payment. As soon as everything is approved, your Payoneer funds will be used to top up your Printify wallet. You should see the updated balance almost instantly. And that's it. Your Payoneer account is now connected to Printify, making it easy to handle payments for your print-on-demand orders. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple guides like this.